Alright, this is an aloe leaf. This one's about 3 years old. Ideally, you would want one that's about 5 or 6 years old. But just to show you how I'm going to cut it here, we're going to cut right down the spines here. Cut those off. And I'm just kind of using my thumb as like a guide when I do that so that I'm not cutting too much off. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just all the way up. Alright, we're going to cut the ends off. And, you know, this leaf has been washed, but when it was cut, that was the original knife, so we'd give it a nice new clean cut on the end there. Alright, so now I just have the outside on each side to cut, and I'm going to use this tool instead, which is more for like, I don't know what, spreading frosting or something like that. It's not a knife. And I'm going to put it on the concave side down, and let me start from the tip of the leaf, which is usually easier. I'm just going to wedge it in there a little bit, and I'm kind of flattening it out and pushing down, going right under the flay, and now I'm going to turn it over and do the other side. So this is going to be compost. And
now when you did that, why is that compost? You can't use this?
Not really. I mein, you could get a little more gel out of it. You see I wasted quite a bit there. But the green part, that's where that aloin, that yellow chemical is, the aloin that you don't want because it's a laxative.
Okay.
So now I'm just going to push it down like this, and you see it going right through there. And this is the part that's going to go into the blender. Now, there's still a couple little green parts, but essentially, that's the part that goes into the blender.
Wow.
So you put it in the blender, drink it down, ready to go.
That's what I'm going to do right now.
All right.
All right.
Set that right back there for you.
All right. Thanks for checking.